Okay, we're going to talk about adding fractions, and we're going to use polynomials, but I'm going to start off by showing you how you would add to normal fractions. So on this example, we're adding 1/3 and 1/5. And when you add fractions, you have to get a common denominator. And that common denominator is really the least common multiple. So we're trying to find a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 5 that both of these numbers will fit into. When you started doing this in elementary, you built multiple towers. And a multiple tower of 3 would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. A multiple tower for 5 would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then the least common multiple would be the smallest one that they both have in common, 15. So in this case, the least common multiple would be our common denominator, 15. And then when you did this in elementary, you said, okay, what would I multiply times 3 to get 15? And that would be 5. So if you multiplied the denominator by 5, you had to multiply the numerator by 5. So you got 5/15. Here the denominator would have to be multiplied by 3. So you'd have to multiply the numerator by 3. So you'd have 3/15. So now we're talking about parts that are actually the same. These parts are divided into 15ths, and these parts are divided into 15ths. So I have 5 parts out of 15 and 3 parts out of 15, which makes 8 parts out of 15. I showed you this basic example so that we can talk about finding the least common multiple whenever these are polynomials.